Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. We have Coinbase down 5% after hours, after railing around 9% after hours, and then just completely dropping off a cliff and still headed down. We also have Roblox down a whopping 13% after hours, and also Context Logic Wish down. Unity Software is only down 3.8% after earnings. So let's talk about some of these stocks and dive right in. So in this video, let's just talk about these stocks, what we have going on with Coinbase and some of the other stocks that we mentioned. So if we scroll down, we can see that we took out a put option actually on Coinbase for about $1,000. We're already up $113 on that put option, and it's down 6% after hours additionally. So we're probably up another $400, $500 on that Coinbase put, which was definitely expected. Shares of the company are down 6% in the extended hour. Remember, they are already down 10% in the regular trading day, an additional 6% after hours. So that's down 16% in one trading day, which is a huge movement. Investors have dumped speculative assets from stocks to crypto this year on fears that aggressive central bank policy tightenings could tip the U.S. economy into a recession. Obviously, crypto's not as hot right now, and since crypto's not as hot, people aren't buying it. Transactions, that's how Coinbase makes money. Trading volume slowed from 217 billion in the second quarter, ending June 30th, from 462 billion a year earlier when crypto's march to the mainstream attracted interest from traders. Coinbase posted a net loss of 1.09 billion compared with a profit of 1.6 billion a year earlier, which is a huge difference. Remember, Coinbase is one of the largest in America crypto brokerages around, and from the year it's still down 68%, so it could still be a speculative play, good long-term speculative play to hold on to in your accounts. I'm not going to talk about Coinbase too deep in this video because we talked about them in the last video, so if you want more of a deep dive on Coinbase, make sure you check out that video from yesterday. Make sure you turn on post notifications on my Instagram stories though, because I'll be posting some of the results from the Coinbase put tomorrow morning in the AM. Okay, so the next one we'll talk about is Roblox, down 13% after hours, and this one was just heating up 51% in the last 3 months after a huge drop, down 75%, with an all-time high of $134 per share. And what we'll see is Roblox misses on top line and bottom line. Share dips 14%. Okay, Roblox reported 52 million average daily users, about a million shy of the Wall Street's consensus. Here's how the company did. Loss per share was 30 cents was a loss EPS versus 21 cents expected. Revenue came in at 639 million versus 644 million, which was expected. So it was a double miss. Now, although that Roblox was 1 million shy of expected daily active users, that figure is still up 21% from a year earlier, but down from the 54.1 million daily active users it reported in the first quarter of 2022, which is showing a slowing of growth, which is not a good thing to already be displaying. Users spent more than 11 billion hours engaged in Roblox during the second quarter. Roblox said average bookings per daily active users was $12.25, down 20% year over year. Overall, there's still tons of risk with Roblox. You have to be wanting to diversify in the video game space and also be a big believer in the metaverse at the same time, in hopes that Roblox will get its average spend per user from $22 per user up to like $100 or even $200 per user. Overall, I've price alerts set at $30 per share, $35 per share, and even $25 per share. Obviously, $25 per share being where I'm going to be planning to buy the heaviest at. Okay, another one that we're going to talk about is Wish, which we should have ran a put on earlier this morning. It would have been up pretty good, and these are very cheap put options. Also, they're only around $10 to $50 for a pretty good put option. So that boat pretty much has sailed already. I mean, there is a chance that Context Logic or Wish could go down to around $1.50, $1.40, $1.25 once again. And I'm definitely staying away from them for long term right now. However, we do see this article, which is interesting. So should Amazon or Alibaba try to acquire Wish in 2022? Okay, over the next year, should they try to acquire them with Wish shares down 84% over the past year? Long-term investors may be hoping for a buyout. So most people are actually voting that Amazon should buy Wish, and after that, it's neither should buy Wish, with Context Logic shares down 84%. Business Insider published a rumor back in 2015 that Amazon offered to buy Wish for some $10 billion. Context Logic Wish was only a 5-year-old firm back then, and according to the reports, then CEO, co-founder Peter supposedly had no interest in selling for $10 billion price tag, which is pretty funny because now they only have a $1 billion price tag. 90% decrease. So if Amazon could buy for a 90% decrease of what they were planning to buy, 5 years ago, that might be interesting to them if they look it over, because Amazon has been on an acquiring spree lately, acquiring a bunch of companies. So if they could get Wish for about $1 billion, I'm sure they would. However, Wish, on the other hand, probably wouldn't sell for $1 billion if they didn't even sell for $10 billion, 5 years ago. So I hope you guys liked that quick video. Make sure you go ahead and turn on my story notifications on Instagram so you can see how much money that we made on Coinbase tomorrow morning. And also make sure you message me on Instagram if you want to join the close friends list. I'm accepting a few more people, and then I'm going to cut off signups for a while and start a wait list also. So if you've been meaning to get on, now's the time to get on, because we're ending the busy earnings season pretty soon. We just had a busy weeks of earnings season, back to back to back. And if you guys want to see some of the success that students have been having in the program, click on success number 5. You won't see the green ones that say the close friends list, because that's for close friends list members only. But if you click on success number 5 here, you'll actually see all my students, now over 500 positive testimonials and over 1,500 students enrolled in the program. So if you want to read some of these, I would highly recommend it. We made a lot of money on Snapchat puts, JPM puts, thousands of dollars, $1,276 up 178% gains. Okay, it sold it for my best return yet. Thank you, Alec. And so on and so forth. So take some time, read through some of those, see what's going on. Message me on Instagram and I'll shoot you over my website so you can check everything out for yourself, how much everything costs, what we're going to be learning. And if it's inside your budget and it makes sense to you, then let's go ahead and build some wealth together in the stock market over the next few months. The options, call options, put options, swing trades, and everything in between in the meantime. So if you enjoyed this video, smash a like button on this video, share with a friend, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.